Yeah, good day, everyone. Good day, it's me, Gbpusd, the CEO of Forex Academy. Last week, I did an analysis on DXY. I said that DXY is coming down. It will do a retracement, a pullback before we start going up. The reason why I always analyze dollar index is that dollar index play an important role in the forex market very well. So, which means when we have dollar index in an uptrend, so all other currency that has USD, all other currency that has USD as base currency will be also going up, like USD CAD, USDPY, Usdchf. So all other pairs that has base currency, all other pairs that has USD as base currency will be moving up, while the other pairs that has USD as code currency will be coming down. So prediction for this week is intact. I mean, the prediction for last week was intact because I predicted this place. Presently, the market is around this place, so we have moved almost like let's say 90% accuracy. Today I want to do analysis, and I'm going to start analysis on the dollar index. But this week our analysis is going to a little bit change. I'm going to use breaking the structure, support and resistance, and to usually know the direction of the market. For those of you who have not know how to draw support and stand very well, and breaking the structure very well, you can try to check out my video. Subscribe to this button. Subscribe to this channel. Follow me, like me, and I'll be dropping some important information very soon. Some important topics very soon on how to draw support and resistance and how to draw market structure. So let's go. We're going to identify support and resistance on higher time frame. Like I normally say that anytime you want to trade, always analyze the market on higher time frame, which is top analysis, analyze the market on higher time frame and come back to lower time frame to execute it. So let's start from the weekly. Let's see what the weekly weekly time frame is saying. So when you see the weekly time frame, you can see the direction of the market that we are in uptrend for some months now. We are in uptrend, so market is seriously moving up. And let's see the key levels. This is the key level. So market is trying to approach this level, and let's draw the support level too. This is support level. So market is going to move in between this, and when you go to daily, you can easily see or identify what the market is saying. On daily, you can see a kind of ranging. You can see higher high, higher low, and higher high. So then you can see higher low. We're expecting, you can see higher high, higher low, higher high. Then this market is now approaching the higher high, which is the resistance level. So for this week, let's see what is going to happen to dollar index. Whether dollar is going to keep going up or it's going to come down. Let's go to 4 hours. This is daily. At the daily level, do we have any key levels here? We have key levels. We have some key levels here, which is key levels here. I have some key level here. So this is a resistance. This is support level, resistance here, then resistance here, then support here. So let's go to 4 hours and check what we have at the 4 hours. So at the 4 hours, we can see some minor key level of 4 hours, which is the minor key levels. You can see minor key level. And when you look at the patterns that this market is forming, so this market is forming an M pattern. You can see M pattern. Let me draw. So it is an M pattern. The market is trying to form an M pattern. So if you break here, if you break the neckline here, so definitely we're expecting this week we're expecting a massive downtrend or a massive sell for dollar index. Meanwhile, let's see the trend too. We also have a minor trend. Here. We have a minor trend, which is this. We have a minor trend here. So for this week now, my bias mind is still bullish. But before we can look for sell opportunity, it has to be breaking out of this level. If you break this 104,700, so 104,700 is going to help us and sell all the way from here to this place. But for now, if the market keep on or the market maintain this support level, we are still expecting the market to still do the continuation of what it did last week and getting to 106, 106, 400. 106 400. Yes, 106 400. So we're still expecting the market, to move down, a little bit. Let me do so I expect market to do a pullback as normally do, then and go back to move up for its continuation, which is 106 400. 106 400. 106 400. This is my analysis on the dollar index. For those who go to trade dollar index, let's be very careful for this week. Allow the market to break before you can look for a sell. Then if the market refuses to break this level, we still expect the bullish continuation. But let me tell you that when the market reaches this resistance level, which is double top here, we respect it. And don't forget that we have come to the end of this month, and the new month is going to start by this week. So the first week we always have a kind of manipulation in the market. First week of every month we have a manipulation in the market, so you have to be very careful for this week on how to place trade. Don't rush, set it, do your analysis and wait for the market to play out before you can place a trade. So let's go to the next one. Okay, this is Eurusd. I did analysis on Eurusd. I said that Eurusd is going to sell last week, but what we have in the market is we have a lot of ranging in the market. So actually, Eurusd went down and later went up. So it came down all the way from this level around here, and when it came down and is now moving on. So let's see what's going to happen for this week. Let's go to the weekly chart and see what we have. At the weekly chart, we have a solid, at the weekly chart, we have some solid level. Now we have a support level here. So we have a resistance level around this place. Then we also have some levels. Let me see. Do we have some level here? Okay. So let's go to daily and see what daily is going to say. So this is daily, and still have a solid support level here. Mind you, I have said it earlier that our analysis is going to a little bit change. It's one of my favorite trading setup. So after this, we still have when you look at this market, you can see something like M pattern here. So this is something like M pattern here. Anytime the market do an complete the formation, you have to do a kind of a pullback. You have to do a retracement, which is the neckline. You have to go back to the neckline. So for this week, this is daily. Let's go to 4 hours and see what the market is going to say on 4 hours. So before we go to 4 hours, let me see what we have here. So we have a minor level here, and that's the level is we have a minor level here too. A minor resistance level. Before you can place a buy, you have to wait for the market to break above this level. If you break above 1.07250, so you can look at opportunity on lower time frame and place a buy. So let's go to 4 hours and see the final conclusion, final level, and at the 4 hours you can see in minor trend, pick 1, pick 2, and pick 3. So for those who want to trade Forex, want to trade Eurusd, I have 2 buyers options. Presently the market is trying to form a double top, so double top here. So if the market maintains it, if it maintains this double top, definitely it's coming down, and you can see it's still trying to form what we call letter M pattern. So this is M pattern. So I still believe and I still hope that Eurusd is still going to retest this, because that tested many times. Now we tested it here, then tested it here. So I'm still expecting the third test, so which is the third touch. So the market reached here. So for this week, I'm still expecting Eurusd to touch and move even to this level. But if it eventually break up, if market break up, we need to wait for a candlestick. Wait for a complete candlestick to break to close above this resistance level. Then you cannot look for opportunity to buy from here to this opportunity to buy. Cannot look for opportunity to buy from here to this place, which is 0.07950 around this level. So around this level, this is my buyers on my analysis on Eurusd. Mind you, this is the first week of the month, so there may be a lot of manipulation. The market should need to trade with a proper risk warning management. This is Audusd. When you look at the general trend of the Audusd, we are having a downtrend. This is a downtrend. You can see downtrend. This is a downtrend, and we have a solid resistant level around this level, around this place. This is a resistant level, so which we are expecting either the markets break up, and we have the extension here, which is the next resistant level here. If we break up, there's going coming down to this place, but if you find it difficult to break, we still expect the markets to come down. So, but I want us to check a pattern here. So this is going to be the support level on weekly. I want us to look at the pattern. You can see M pattern here. This is M pattern. I like M pattern because M pattern, give us a clear direction of the market. Each time I see, you can see it's an M pattern on weekly. So let's go to daily and see what daily have for us. Even on daily, we can see M pattern formation. So, but you can see it clearly on weekly time frame. So, if you don't know all of this, if you don't know the chart patterns, you can try to reach me, send me a message. I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to identify some chart pattern in the forex market. So now let's go to daily. So at the daily, as long as the market still maintain this level, if you find it difficult to break above this level, we're still expecting sell for this week. So then we can see a minor support around this level. Is a minor support here. So for daily, we have resistance, support, then we have another support. So let's go to 4 hour, the final stage of our trade. The final stage where we want to do the analysis. So when you look at this trade, the structure of this market, you can see we're having a ranging market up, down, then which is impulse correction, or this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high low. So this is, you can see market is forming, a ranging is ranging, and you can see that's tested this several times. This is touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, then we are still expecting the touch 4. So as long as the market find it difficult to break above this level, we still expect Audusd to come down. And meanwhile, I told you on the weekly time frame, market is trying to form what we call M pattern. You can see M pattern. So if the market still maintain this touch of 3, trend line 1, 2, 3, the third one, if market still maintain below this trend line, we are still expecting the market to come down for this week, and even probably for this month, expecting the downtrend movement for this month. Then another thing I want us to consider is double top. You can identify the double top here. This is double top. You can see the double top here. So which is I have some percentage. I have a very good percentage, a very good this thing. I have a very good now this, you can see this one form a double top. So at least I have some confidence that the market is coming down unless you break above. So let's see how many pips do we have for this week before the market will come. If the market find it difficult to break above, how many pips do we have from here? We have 80, 89, then we have 260, 275. So if it breaks here, so from this level, the market find it difficult to break, we are still expecting the market to move here. But before the market will still get to this level, we still have some minor level that we need to consider. This is it. You can see the minor level here. So another one, this is a conference, touch 1, touch 2, breaking, then retest, touch another touch. So expect the market break here. So from that level, from here to this place now, this is a 200. That's 200 pips. So if you want to trade, you can look for 200 pips. 200 pips, then you look for stop loss for 4 points. This 51 pips for stop loss. So now this is my analysis on the Audusd. Let's go to another pair. So this is Gbpusd. Last week, last week, you can see, let me show you now. This is my analysis for last week. You can see I told you that the market is So this is my analysis for last week, and I know you still remember I said if market breaks this level, which is 126,300 that day, we still expect the market to sell. But in this week, the last week, but last week, let's see what happened last week. Let's go to daily. So the last week market actually break that level, but not pretty much, not much, because there was a kind of ranging on what time frame. So it was around this place I said the market is going to break. I just broke a little, they broke a enter again, then retest. So market still maintain this level, like I've just said, it still maintain the level. So as long as the market still maintain the level, definitely we are still expecting sell for this week. But let's see what the market is going to say. Let's see what market is telling us. So let's go to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame now, you can see what the market is saying. We are having a solid resistant level here. Then we also have a support level around this place. This is, you can pick this. Let's pick this, the recent one, the most recent one. So now let's go. So for weekly time frame, at the weekly time frame, we are expecting the market to break, because market has been coming down for some time, but we have some obstacle around this level. We have some level here. So okay, so let's go to daily. This is our daily. You can see this is our daily time frame. The daily time frame. So at the daily time frame, market has broke the previous supports. See this previous support now. So it still maintain the resistance level. So this is the resistance level for Euro, for Gbpusd. So as long as the market stay below this level, I'll still be looking for opportunity to sell. But let's go to 4 hours, the final stage. What can we do at final stage? So at the final stage, you can identify the downtrend. This is downtrend. We have downtrend. So before I will look for buy opportunity, I have to wait for the market to break, this minor resistance. So which is 1.2700. If you break above 1.2700, then I'm going to look for opportunity to buy. But as long as the market is still maintaining this level, so I may not be able to buy until I may not be able to sell until it breaks this level. If you break this zone now, this support zone, then I'll be looking for opportunity to sell. So if you can't do close below this level, I'm going to sell. And sell down to this place, which is 100. That's 100 pips. I'm expecting 100 pips. So for Gbpusd, we're not having much movement, but let's see how it's going to work out for this week. So don't be surprised, it can be extended from this level down to this place. But let's see how it's going to play out. Let's see how it's going to play out. So let's look for another place to trade. Let's look for gold. Last week I did analysis on last week. Let's go to the last week chart and see. Okay, for those of you who follow my analysis on gold last week, I said gold is going to buy, but I said gold is going to form a kind of a pullback, like something like this. I said gold is going to do a pullback like this before we start going. If you check the last week video, you can see that gold did the same thing, but there was a kind of ranging. See, when market came down and just started ranging, but eventually the market still went to our direction. So on this week, let's see what gold have for us. Let's see how we can make some money on gold. So gold, naturally, we are seeing for some months now we are having an uptrend, which is uptrend momentum for gold. Gold has been buying for some months now. So and you can see, so we have uptrend on gold. So but the gold is forming a kind of when you have worked, just like when you have worked tired, then just have to be relaxing. So gold is now forming kind of it's now doing kind of relaxation now, because it has been bought for some time. So we have a solid support zone. on weekly. Then we also have the solid support resistance on weekly. So let's go to daily and see what good has for us on daily. So on daily, you can see for some days now, some days now we have been having a ranging market. So which we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we're having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now what are we expecting? We are still expecting the higher, market to do an higher high. So on this market now, we need to be very careful on gold, because gold has been ranging for some time, and when the market is ranging, that is when it takes money from the trader. So let's go to 4 hours right now and see what gold is going to do. Let's look for opportunity to trade the market. So on 4 hours now, we're having a chart pattern, and you can see we have head and shoulder. This is this is head, this is this two shoulder. You have a kind of head and shoulder. So this is an inverted head and shoulder, which means that we patiently wait for the market to break. If the market breaks above, there is a chance for goods to buy for this week. So what you just need to do is to wait for the market to break above this resistance level, which is 23335. Market break above this, then we'll be looking for opportunity to buy even to this level. But mind you, we still have some minor level that can stand as obstacle for goods to move up very fast. So we're expecting the market breaks here. Our first target will be here. Then after this, it breaks this place too. The next target will be here. So this is the analysis that I have for gold. This week, gold is trying to form head and shoulder. You can see head, you can see left shoulder and right shoulder. This is right shoulder, left shoulder to the head. So you just presently wait for the market to break. If it breaks, then we look for opportunity to buy. Then if you want to sell, in case you want to sell, you have to wait for the candle to break the two saddle. You have to wait for the candle to close below two shoulder, both left and right, around this place. So if you break below, then you can look for opportunity to sell. This is Usdchf. Let's analyze Usdchf. So this is Usdchf. Let's go to weekly time frame and see what Usdchf is saying. So you can see Usdchf has formed double top and a solid resistant level for some times now, and you can also see this level together with this level. So market reacted to that level, and this is going to be a support zone. You can see reacted to this level, and this level too. So that is it. So let's go to lower time frame and see daily. Let's go to daily and see what Usdchf is going to do for this week. So let's go to Usdchf. So Usdchf is, you can see that Usdchf is trying to form kind of W pattern, but when you look at it, you can see this is a level which we need to consider for Usdchf. We need to consider this level for Usdchf, which means that as long as the market still holds below this level, we are expecting Usdchf to still come down. So look at the Usdchf. This is Usdchf has formed double top, and you can see this is double top. So for this week, it's likely for Usdchf to come down, and if you want to enter buy, we have to wait for the market to break above. So let's go to 4 hours. So this is 4 hours. You can see the 4 hours. The market is forming, a kind of head and shoulder. This is head, then this is head and shoulder. You can see head and shoulder. So we just need patiently to wait for the market to break here before we buy. And if you want to sell, you need to wait for the market to break the minor trend. This trend. Let the market break this trend. And we also have some key point level here. This is another place. So you can patiently wait for the market to break here. If it breaks here, then it tells you the market is going down, it's coming down, and it's going to coming down to the next zone. So on the Usdchf, we need to wait very, very, very well. We need to exercise patience. Forex market needs patience and discipline. We need to exercise patience very well before we can take a decision. So let's allow the market to break above here before we can take a decision. And let's allow the market to break, to break this level before we can take a sell, position. So this is my analysis on Usdchf. Okay, if you want more of this content, you want more of this analysis, I want you to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button, so that through that, if I do a video, you'll be notified and watch the new analysis or any important information. See you everyone. Have a nice week. Thank you. Bye for now.